Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve an attractive face. We will begin by understanding the fundamental elements that contribute to facial appeal. It is crucial to recognize your unique features and work with them. Maintaining a healthy body weight helps define your jawline and cheekbones. Furthermore, getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night significantly reduces puffiness and dark circles. Staying hydrated with 8 glasses of water daily also promotes skin elasticity and a fresh complexion. Next, let's focus on nurturing your skin and overall well-being. A consistent skincare routine, including cleansing, moisturizing, and treating, is essential for a radiant complexion. Always apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or more to shield your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants from fruits and vegetables supports skin health from within. Additionally, effectively managing stress can prevent breakouts and maintain a youthful glow. Now, let's explore ways to enhance your specific facial features. Consulting with a professional can offer insights into improving facial symmetry and balance. Non-invasive techniques, such as regular facial massages, can improve circulation and muscle tone. Well-groomed eyebrows, shaped to complement your face, can dramatically frame your eyes. Furthermore, maintaining good posture, with your shoulders back and chin slightly tucked, can significantly improve the appearance of your neck and jawline. Finally, remember that true attractiveness radiates from within and through your lifestyle. A genuine, confident smile is one of the most appealing features anyone can possess. Regular physical activity not only keeps you fit, but also boosts blood flow, giving your skin a healthy flush. Cultivating a positive self-image and practicing self-care routines are vital for overall well-being. Dressing in clothing that makes you feel good and expresses your personal style also contributes significantly to your perceived attractiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.